Many people have the mindset that one pair of glasses can do everything. And I often compare that to shoes. If you were to wear the same pair of shoes every single day for every activity that you do with every outfit that you wear, think how limiting you would have to be with the style of shoes that you choose. It would have to be something that is very generic, and it's just impossible really. I don't think any of us have just a single pair of shoes. But we generally have just one pair of glasses. And it's definitely not the case that one pair of glasses can be the right pair for every situation. And in a formal environment, you need formal glasses to match to your outfit. Conversely, in a more casual environment, you need a more casual pair of glasses. And then of course you need sunglasses and sports glasses, and eventually you build an eyewear wardrobe, as I like to call it. So if you're someone who regularly wears a suit and wants to look as smart as possible, this video is for you. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant here at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And if you do want to look the smartest you can, there's a very good chance that these Cartier frames are your perfect formal eyewear. And I'm going to explain why. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about Cartier as a brand. They are generally known for their rimless glasses, and we featured some of those on the channel earlier in the year. But Cartier also make a range of metal frames and acetate frames. By acetate, I mean the premium plastic that high quality glasses are made from. Now, Cartier's ethos is all about timelessness. When you look at the watches that they make, when you look at the jewelry that they make, they don't necessarily bring out new styles very often. What they do is they take historic styles, which sometimes are over 100 years old, and they reinvigorate them and they refresh them, and they bring them into the new era. And that's kind of what these frames represent for Cartier in eyewear, because they're a very modern style, but classic at the same time. You're not going to see with Cartier anything too quirky, too wacky, too futuristic. That's just not what the brand's about. What they do is very classic styles which are timeless and you can keep for many, many years and still be able to wear. And as far as acetate frames go, I think these frames personify that. So what makes them so classic and yet timeless at the same time? Well, the first thing is the shape. This shape is one that is neither square nor round. It's predominantly square, to be fair, but it has these rounded corners, and that makes it a little bit different than the average angular square frame that you'll see from other brands, for example Hugo Boss, who also make very, very nice formal glasses. This shaping on the corners differentiates the Cartier frames from a lot of others. But it's not just that, it's also the thickness and the boldness of the material here, which I think is very impressive, very cool, and makes a statement, makes more of a statement than your average acetate frame would. We've also got a relatively bold bridge and a relatively deep lens in terms of how it sits relative to the nose. You'll notice this sits in good proportion with my face, and it would with the majority of faces, with the bottom of the frame coming to just probably 2/3 down the nose. That's ideal in terms of shape and size for a frame that is not going to go out of fashion. You know, it's not super small, it's not super big. Proportions are just right, and as I said, the boldness of the material lends itself to that as well. And generally speaking, square glasses or rectangular glasses give a more formal, more business-like impression compared to a rounder shape, like my glasses, for example. Which is not to say you can't wear round glasses in a formal environment, but I think if you see the two side by side, this is clearly a lot smarter and kind of says, I'm in business today, I'm here to work. But in a cool way, in a fashionable way. The next thing that I really like about these frames is the discreetness of the logo and the detailing. I don't think you could wear a designer frame that had a huge logo properly with a suit. I mean, if you wear a suit, you don't have, generally speaking, any logos anywhere on it, and the same should be true with your glasses. The detailing on this is very discreet. Unless you're right up close to it, you wouldn't see that they are Cartier. But I do like how they've put the Cartier logo just at the front for a little bit of added class and style. Now you'll notice that this frame comes in two colours, and we get onto this olive green colour, which I absolutely love. Now, let's do it, let's talk about it. The black I would choose if you wear primarily a black suit, or if you have a darker skin tone. On the other hand, with a fairer skin tone, or a light coloured suit, maybe a brown suit, or even a navy blue like I tend to wear, this olive green colour is fabulous. It's just got that extra little bit of differentiation rather than a conventional black frame. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it just makes them stand out in their own way. It's a little bit more fun, but still formal and smart overall. I also really appreciate the gold logo detail on this one and the gold hinges to match, and also the gold metal work on the inside of the frame, which belies the quality of these. And that's the next point. If you are going to work every day in the same suit and maybe the same eyewear, you want something that's going to last and stand up to day-to-day wear. And a good quality suit will do that. A good quality pair of glasses will do that too. And Cartier frames are extremely good quality. These particular ones are made in Italy, generally the best region for acetate manufacturing, as well as perhaps Japan. And they feature a very, very durable hinge with very thick metal core to the inside of them, which gives them very good rigidity and solidity. And you really feel that when you put them on. When you wear these on the face, they feel solid. They're not non-existent. They're not lightweight glasses. They are comfortable in their own way, but you are aware that you're wearing them. And that gives a feeling of confidence with the frames as well, I think. So there you have it. These Cartier frames, in my opinion, are the ultimate men's formal glasses. I hope this video has done a good job of conveying why having a pair of glasses for work might be useful to you, and how the different style elements differentiate them from a more casual style. And hopefully it's got you thinking about the kind of environment that you wear your glasses in and how it portrays you and your personality. But if you've got any questions about this video, leave them in the comment section below. If you found it helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps us grow. Every new subscriber I'm really grateful for. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.